All right, so I will start. First, I do not condone driving without a seatbelt. However, if you just need to go to the mailbox or something, the seatbelt chime is pretty annoying. So how to turn it off? Step one, put it in accessory mode. So you're just gonna essentially press it until this screen pops up, no foot on the brake or clutch. And then what you're gonna do, and I'll skip this part, so I'll edit it out, is you're gonna buckle and unbuckle the seatbelt 20 times. So you'll put the seatbelt in the holder, undo it, and do it 20 times quickly. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, so I did that. Now we're gonna turn the car off, and then we're gonna turn the car on. And then you'll hear it beep a couple times, but the seatbelt chime is off. So now I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna go ahead and get rolling. I'll drop the e-brake. And yeah, there we're going. And got the seatbelt's in my hand. It's unplugged. So that's how you turn the seatbelt chime off. Again, don't drive without a seatbelt unless you're going to the mailbox, but at least that'll kind of get your annoying chime away so you can go to your mailbox or somewhere in your neighborhood without having to hear the beeping.